Place your hand on your chest. That steady beat you feel is the sound of life itself. The heart is a powerful, fist-sized muscular organ working non-stop from before birth until your final breath. It doesn't just beat, it twists, contracts, relaxes, and precisely times every movement to push blood through your entire body. In a single day, it beats about 100,000 times and pumps thousands of liters of blood without rest. Hidden behind your ribs, this remarkable organ runs on its own electrical system and fuels every cell you have. Understanding it changes how you see your life. Every second of your life, blood is moving, flowing in a continuous, carefully timed journey that keeps every cell alive. This movement is called circulation, and it happens into perfectly coordinated loops. Pulmonary circulation heart, lungs and systemic circulation heart. The journey begins when oxygen-poor blood from the body returns to the heart, after delivering oxygen to tissues. Blood collects carbon dioxide and waste products. It flows through tiny veins that merge into larger veins, eventually entering the superior and inferior vena cava. These large veins pour blood into the right atrium. When the right atrium fills, it contracts gently, pushing blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. As the ventricle fills, pressure builds. Then comes a powerful contraction. The right ventricle squeezes upward and inward, forcing blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary arteries. This is the only artery that carries oxygen-poor blood. The pulmonary arteries carry blood to the lungs. Inside the lungs, blood moves through millions of tiny capillaries that surround air sacs called alveoli. Here, a life-saving exchange happens. Carbon dioxide leaves the blood, and oxygen enters it. The blood changes from dark red to bright red, now oxygen-rich. This oxygenated blood returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins and enters the left atrium. The left atrium contracts, pushing blood through the mitral valve into the left ventricle, the strongest chamber of the heart. Now comes the most forceful movement in circulation. The left ventricle contracts with tremendous pressure, pushing blood through the aortic valve into the aorta, the body's largest artery. From there, blood travels through a branching network of arteries that get smaller and smaller until they become microscopic capillaries. In the capillaries, oxygen and nutrients move out of the blood into body cells. At the same time, carbon dioxide and waste products move from the cells into the blood. The blood is now oxygen-poor again. It begins its return journey through tiny venules, then veins, and eventually back to the vena cava, completing the cycle. This entire trip takes less than 1 minute. On average, your heart pumps about 5 liters of blood per minute at rest. During exercise, this can increase to 20 liters or more. The circulation never stops. It adjusts instantly to your needs, faster when you run, slower when you rest. Blood circulation is not random movement. It is a closed, pressurized, one-way highway system powered by the heart, guided by valves, and designed to sustain life every single second. If you found this educational and exciting, please subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts below. Tell us, what part surprised you the most?